Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and welcome back to online classes of Iqra Fast by secondary schools and colleges, our project of Iqra education system. Dear students of class metric, welcome back to online classes. This is the second session of online classes. Unfortunately, the government has recently announced the closure of all educational institutions and schools. So we are compelled to get back to online classes, though we understand and realize the importance of physical classes. There is a compulsion, so we will go and continue with this online classes. In the first lecture today, we are going to start chapter number 14, as you already have studied up to chapter number 11. After the reduced syllabus announced by the educational government of Karachi, we do not have chapters number 12 and 13 included in our reduced syllabus. So we are starting from chapter 14 after chapter number 11. Chapter number 14 is a poem. The hand that rocks the cradle is the hand that rules the world. We will start with words, English meaning and their Urdu meaning, the words which are used in this poem, so that we should have no problem and difficulty understanding this poem when we are going through explanation process of this. You people have to do these words meanings in your register on a single page. But before that, you have to make a title page. If not making a title page, then you have to write or give the heading of chapter number 14, poem, the hand that rocks the cradle is the hand that rules the world, in the first two lines. But before that even, you have to mention English and Islamic dates. You must mention English and Islamic dates first of all. And then you people will make three columns, one for words, second for English meanings, and third for Urdu meaning. Comparatively, the English meaning column should be bigger or wider than the columns of words and Urdu meaning. Starting from the first word, the word is patriotic. Patriotic means having love for one's country. अपने मुल्क से मोहब्बत करने की feelings जिस शख्स में हो, उसे हम patriotic कहते हैं. ये word patriotism से निकला है. Patriotism means hubbul watani, and patriotic is an adjective, having love for one's country, and in Urdu it means muhibbe watan, watan se muhabbat karne wala. The second word is temperament. Temperament is a noun and it means mood or emotions. In Urdu it means mizaj ya tabiat. Temperament can be used in a sentence like I have a jolly temperament. I have patient temperament. मेरा जो मिजाज है, मेरी जो तबीयत है, वो सब्र करने वाली है. अगर मैं कहूँ I have jolly temperament, तो मेरा जो मिजाज है, मेरी तबीयत या मेरा मूड या मेरे इमोशंस जॉली हैं, यानी हंसने हंसाने वाला, मजाक करने वाला. The third word is splendid. Splendid is an adjective and it means very good. In Urdu it means Ali Shan ya Shandar. Splendid building, Ali Shan building, Shandar building. Number 4 is blessings. Blessings means divine favor. Divine is used for sacred, खुदाई या मुक़द्दस. डिवाइन की अपनी मीनिंग क्या है? sacred, 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 मुक़द्दस या खुदाई, जिसका ताल्लुक़ खुदा से हो, अल्लाह से हो. तो डिवाइन फेवर, ऐसा फेवर जो अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला हमें देते हैं, उसे हम ब्लेसिंग्स कहते हैं. इन उर्दू रहमत, नेमत या बरकत. Any one of these three can be the meaning of this word blessings. Divine favor, रहमत, नेमत या बरकत. In this poem, the word blessing is used in the meaning of rahmat, because this word is used for a personality in our lives who is the most important and integral personality in our life, and we will discuss who this poem is all about. Number 5, cottage. Cottage is a single story house, एक मंजिला घर. I live in a cottage. Okay. Number 6, hovel. Hovel is a poor small house which is called in Urdu jhuggi ya झोपड़ी, या in further words we can say कुटिया. जो गरीब की, किसी गरीब बंदे की जो एक कुटिया होती है, झोपड़ी या झुग्गी होती है, उसे हम होवल कहते हैं, a poor small house. On number 7, there is a phrase would that, which means I wish. Would that या I wish की मीनिंग होती है काश. I wish I could fly. काश मैं उड़ सकता. I wish I were rich. काश मैं अमीर होता. Would that I were rich. I wish I were rich. यहाँ I wish का मतलब मैं ख्वाहिश करता हूँ नहीं है, बल्कि आप देख सकते हैं मैंने यहाँ पर एक्सक्लेमेटरी साइन का इस्तेमाल किया है. एक्सक्लेमेटरी साइन. Exclamatory sign is telling us that this I wish or would that is an exclamation. जिस तरह काश एक exclamation है ना, expression of feelings. Exclamation किसे कहते हैं? Expression of feelings. अपनी feelings का इजहार, तो उसे हम कहते हैं काश. उर्दू में कहते हैं काश मेरे पास पैसे होते. I wish I had money या I wish I had money. तो इसी तरह हम कह सकते हैं would that I had money. I wish या would that के बाद हम past simple sentence लगाते हैं for present और future. present या future के लिए हम past simple sentence लगाते हैं. अगर आपको याद हो, we have gone through conditional sentences in class 8 and even in class 9, and probably I remember in the first video sessions, online video sessions, we discussed translation, and there in translation I took you through conditional sentences type 1, type 2 and type 3. अगर मैट्रिक में जो फर्स्ट टर्म में हमने फर्स्ट वीडियो सेशन में जो हमने ट्रांसलेशन पढ़ी थी, वो अगर आपको ना भी याद हो, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको नहीं याद होगी, because none of you watched the videos, and this is why when you came back to school you people were blank. You remember how we had to work hard from the very first chapter? You had not completed your work, आपने अपना काम भी complete नहीं किया था. So what you have to do is you have to do your work, classwork and homework on daily basis. Otherwise, when you come back to school on 11th of January, hopefully inshallah, so you should have no problem in continuing from where the teacher takes you. क्योंकि 10th of January तक हमारी क्लासेस ऑनलाइन चलेंगी. उसमें हम कोशिश करेंगे जितने ज़्यादा चैप्टर्स और जितना ज़्यादा हम अपना रिड्यूस ब्रेकडाउन कवर कर लें, और जो बाकी रह जाएगा वो हम 11th of January से कंटिन्यू करेंगे. तो जब 11th of January को आप लोग स्कूल आएँ तो इंशाल्लाह ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपका पिछला काम इनकम्प्लीट हो. तो कोशिश करें मेरे बच्चों कि आप लोग वक्त के साथ साथ रोज़ाना की बुनियाद पर वीडियो लेक्चर्स देखते के साथ ही अपना काम भी क्लास वर्क और होमवर्क मुकम्मल कर लें. ओके, तो उसमें मैंने कंडीशनल टाइप 2 का जो सेंटेंस होता है, इफ इट रेन्ड वी वुड गो आउट, अगर बारिश हुई हम बाहर जाएंगे, ये कंडीशनल टाइप 2 का जुमला है फॉर फ्यूचर, और इसमें इम्पॉसिबल या इमेजिनरी एक्शन की बात होती है ना. तो इसी तरह हम वुड दैट और आई विश के साथ पास्ट सिंपल का सेंटेंस लगाते हैं इमेजिनरी या इम्पॉसिबल विशेस के लिए. अपनी ऐसी ख्वाहिश जो पूरी नहीं हो सकती, उसके लिए हम फ्यूचर की ख्वाहिश, उसके लिए हम वुड दैट या आई विश के साथ पास्ट सिंपल का सेंटेंस लगाते हैं. आई विश इट रेन्स, वुड दैट इट रेन्स, काश बारिश हो. क्लियर? नंबर 8, assails. It means attacked. this assailed or attacked are in past forms, but Urdu meaning is always in present form. हमला करना, तो assail या attack की जो meaning है वो है हमला करना. यहाँ पर assailed और attacked अपनी past forms में इस्तेमाल हुए हैं. Number 9 is curled. This is adjective which means bent. खम खाया हुआ, थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा. जैसा कि मैं आपको एक एग्जाम्पल के लिए, यहाँ मेरे पास एक रूलर है, वुडन रूलर, मैं उसको बेंच करके दिखाता हूँ आपको. सी, दिस इज स्ट्रेट एंड दिस इज बेंट, दिस इज कर्ल्ड. सो यू कैन सी खम खाया हुआ. दिस इज स्ट्रेट, ओके, and this is bent, curled. I hope you understood this. On number 10 we have a word infancy, which means young age or childhood, and in Urdu it means ladakpan. So these were the 10 words. I am going to give you 8 or 9 more words from this poem along with their English and Urdu meaning. I will continue the remaining words after Azan is finished, inshallah. Here we are with the remaining words from 11 to 19. Word number 11 is tender, which is an adjective and it means soft or delicate, nerd, mulayim. When we go through this poem and this word is used in the poem, I will tell you that why this word is used, and you will get to know how accurately this word has been used in that particular situation or context. Number 12 is streamlets, which means small streams, छोटे चश्मे. ये चश्मे ग्लासेस वाले चश्मे नहीं, जो पानी का झरना होता है, पानी जो बहता है, वो जो चश्मा होता है उसको स्ट्रीम कहते हैं. अगर ये छोटा हो चश्मा तो उसको स्ट्रीमलेट कहेंगे. Number 13 is hurled, through forcefully, through forcefully, कुव्वत से फेंकना. Number 14 is divine. This is the very word I was explaining you at the beginning of this video. Divine favor, blessings की meaning divine favor हमने लिखी थी. वहां मैं आपको बता रहा था कि डिवाइन का मतलब था सैक्रेड, यानी कि खुदाई या मुक़द्दस. सो हियर इट कम्स, डिवाइन, सैक्रेड, खुदाई, यानी जिसका ताल्लुक खुदा से हो या मुक़द्दस. On number 15 we have a word, in fact we have a phrase, natal sort. Natal sort means place of birth, जाए पैदाइश, पैदाइश की जगह. Then next word we have trophies. Trophies, आपने ये word सुना होगा, trophy. Whenever you won a competition or a game, you must have got a trophy. Trophies are the cups awarded as prize for your victory. So that trophy, you must have an image in your minds, trophy. Number 17 is in pearls, which means decorated with pearls, मोतियों से सजाना. And here impearled or decorated are used in its past forms, in their past forms. So impearled means मोतियों से सजाना, impearled past form. Number 18, sacred song. Sacred song means prayers. वैसे देखा जाए तो sacred means मुक़द्दस, song गाने का ना, मुक़द्दस गाना. But here the poet means prayers, dua. And the last word is tempest. Tempest की actual meaning तो है violent storm, बहुत शदीद तूफान. लेकिन यहाँ contextual meaning में बता रहा हूँ आपको, sorrows. Tempest means sorrows, गम, रंज, अलम, मुश्किलात, परेशानी, tension. So here tempest means sorrows. Otherwise, in actual, it means violent storm, shadid tufan. So my brothers, these are the words with their English and Urdu meanings for your better understanding when we are going through this poem for reading and explanation. In the next video lecture, we will discuss about this poem and introduction to poet also. But before that, you people have to complete your work. You have to do these English words with their English and Urdu meanings in your registers. I am giving you a home assignment on the board. Make title page and do words meanings in register. You have to do these words meanings from 1 to 19 in your registers, and you have to make a title page. At the beginning of this video, I told you that whether you go for making the title page separately, or you may also give the heading, or you may give the heading of chapter number 14, poem, The Hand That Rocks the Cradle is the hand that rules the world. In the initial 2 lines, that will be all enough. We will meet again in the next video lecture, and I will explain you this poem in simple words, and I believe that you will enjoy this poem very much, because this is about a person who is an integral part of our life. Let's wait for the video till tomorrow. We will meet again. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.